What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Guess what? I got an exciting email from FedEx. You're not gonna believe what it is, but I'm heading to work right now and I will let you know what is this exciting email about. All right, we're here and I'm gonna go ahead and open up shop because we need to clock in at 7. Wow, I was only gone for like 2 days and they completely rearranged the setup here. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and clock in. And make sure the machine accepted my punch. Yep, currently in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do some work and I'll tell you guys in a little bit what this email is about. All right, I'll catch you guys later. What's going on, guys? So, this email I was talking about earlier, right? It's about the wheels that I ordered, and when I placed it in order last week, and the vendor called me and they said it's gonna take about a week and a half or 2 weeks until the wheels get here. But this morning I got an email from FedEx saying that my package is out for delivery and it's scheduled to be delivered by the end of today. So I was like, whoa, I guess my wheels are coming in early. And no kidding, I just got a text from my wife saying that, hey, your package is here. And that's why I'm about to go home real quick and see what's up. Um, Apparently, they just left them in the driveway. I don't know why they did that. My wife asked the FedEx driver if they could roll it inside the garage at least, but apparently the driver said he's too tired already. So I was like, wow. So I'm gonna go home, check the wheels, and yeah. So the wheels are actually here, and they just left them in there. All right, I guess we're gonna set all these tires in here. It's a good thing because they're like mounted already, so we don't have to like worry about like taking them to a shop to get them mounted in balance. So they're bigger than I thought. Cool. So there it is. The wheels came in earlier than expected. They're actually bigger than I thought. We're just gonna leave it here for now. But after work, I'm gonna go to my buddy's house, and then we're gonna go grease up the drivetrain because there's a little clunk in it. And then after that, we're gonna talk about when we're gonna mount these tires into the car. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm excited, and I'll keep you guys on the loop. See you later. All right, I just got off work and I'm now on my way to pick up my mechanic. No, I was just playing. It's actually my buddy who knows a lot of stuff about cars. It's the same guy who came with me when I went to California and look at this car. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick him up right now. We're gonna go grease up the drivetrain, and since the tires came in today, which, like I said, I was not expecting for them to come in this early, which is great. You know, once we put them in, me and the family could already use the car and go on some adventures. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick him up and then I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So, cool. And there he is. All right, let me go inside and talk to him. Sa boy, ang dadalhin natin?
Harbor Freight jack.
Shit. Ano,
Bigat.
ano pa? Jack stands? Alright, start bringing this jack.
Hi guys. Another day in Hawaii. It's a little cold today.
It's hot. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Whew, my back. All right, I think that's it. All right, we got everything we need. We got the jack stands, the this impact wrench, the grease gun, and jack. So yeah, we're gonna head back into the house and start working on the car. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? We're back in the house, right? We're back in the garage. Yeah, we're 1 week with the car already, and this is how it looks like, as you guys saw in the first video. This is how it looks like with the stock tires and stock wheels. And as you guys know, the aftermarket wheels came in already, and it's earlier than I was expecting. So we're gonna go ahead, open up this first box and see what's inside. I think these are the lug nuts that we're gonna use when we're gonna mount the tires later. Let's see. Gorilla wheel installation kit. I guess these are what nuts, lug nuts for. Dude, they're longer than the OEM ones. All right, how about we open up? Should we open one up and see what it looks like? Maybe we should. All right, let's open up this first one and see how it looks like inside. I mean, they look good on the picture already, so I could only imagine how they look like in person. We'll see. All right, you guys ready? Woo! Damn, that shit looks clean, bro. This is nice.
What do we have here?
So it's a Method 703s. They're 17 inches. And if you guys want to see, we have 16 inches for the OEM wheels. And we're going to do a comparison real quick. See how it compares to the OEM ones.
What size tire did we go with?
So it's 33s. So we went with the 33s. Dang, look at this. It's actually, it's massive compared to the one we have right now. There's a stock one. I want to see how it's gonna look like when we mount all of them. Once we install them, right? We're gonna be rubbing a little bit. So we're gonna cut through here, make some cutting. That way, we make some space over there. That way, we don't rub too much. And I guess there's a pinch weld in here too that we're gonna hit with a hammer. Just hammer that shit down. But yeah, new wheels, new tires. We're gonna go ahead mount them. We're just waiting for the car to like cool down a little bit, and then grease the drivetrain too. So that's really it. All right, guys. All the wheels are unwrapped already, and they're set up. We got 2 wheels on the left and 2 wheels on the right. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up and put some jack stands underneath. That way we can start working. All right, now that we got the rear part of the car jacked up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the jack stands right under here. That should be good. Yeah, right there. All right, we get the front lifted, and now it's time to put the jack stands in front, and that way we can start working around the car. Oh, all right. I'm tired already, man. Holy shit. Now that we have the car lifted up, we're gonna go ahead and remove the wheels. And this one has it's not even tightened up, special, whatever this thing is, wheel lock. So we're gonna use the one that came with the manufacturer to remove that, and then replace the wheels. Cool. All right, so it's one down, and there's three more. So we're gonna go ahead, put the all the rest of the tires, and we're gonna show you how it looks like at the end. All right.
A few moments later.
All right, folks, we got all the tires in, and we still got the car lifted. We're gonna do the drive shaft real quick. We're gonna grease it up, and then after that, we're gonna lower it back down. And then we'll take her for a ride.
Best on like a magnetic light. You'll like it. The grease is pushing the old grease out.
Oh, it's right there. I can see it. All right, folks. So we got everything done. We got all the wheels mounted and the drive shaft greased. So we're just gonna lower the car, take off all the jacks, and lower it, and then see how it drives. Uy, putang ina mo ka. There she is. All done. Damn. She's looking better already. She's looking more aggressive now compared to the stock wheels and stock tires. And yeah, I feel like the car just got taller too. Yeah, I'm digging this setup, man. What's up, guys? I just got back driving the car after installing the wheels and the new tires in it. So far, the ride still feels smooth. It felt like nothing changed actually. I didn't feel any difference compared to the stock tires, except that the car actually sits higher now, I think. Just a little bit higher. Yeah, after fitting those 33s, the car looked more aggressive, and I don't know, it just looks better. So, but yeah, if you're gonna ask where I got the wheels and the tires, I ordered them from fourwheelparts.com. Ordered the wheels and tires, and they mounted it for me and ship it my way. But yeah, if you guys want to see how the car looks like right now, here's a montage that I did for you guys. And that is it for today. Again, thank you for watching the whole video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Until next time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.